How to make images move in ClipChamp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make images move in ClipChamp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to drag your video first. So let's drag this video, keep it in our timeline. And the other thing that you'll need to do is drag your image and keep it right above your timeline like this. After doing that, simply extend the image till you want in your length. After you do that, simply just adjust the size of the image. So since ClipChamp doesn't have any keyframe option, what you'll need to do here is you'll need to go by frame. So you will need to cut your images like this at each and every section here, and keep doing that until you've done it for a lot of different frames. And after you've done that for a lot of different frames, for each frame here, you will need to change its position. So let's say I've moved it a little bit here. For this, I have moved it a little bit. Let me just keep it here. And for this one, I've moved it a little bit here. And do this for each and every frame. Now, this is because ClipChamp does not have any keyframe option. So yeah, this can get a bit more hectic. So keep doing this, and after some time, you can see that the image should start moving. And that is basically how you can make images move in ClipChamp. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.